Hello sir, my name is H. Samasrivani. I am studying 8th class English medium in ZPPH Parmuru, West Godavari.
Hello sir, my name is Sailishma. I am studying 9th English medium ZPPH School, West Godavari district.
You know neem tree sir? You know neem tree sir? You know neem tree but you don't know what are the uses of neem. Now I said sir. It is neem tree. Here is an amazing neem tree sir. It is a God's gift for farmer and nature. Neem is wonderful tree, divine tree, life-giving tree also. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic properties. Because of these qualities, it is used in agriculture. The extras of neem, leaves, flowers, fruits, root and bark can be utilized in agriculture. So it is superb pesticide controller sir. Neem has limonite, terpenoid, steroid and so other substances. So it is attracting worldwide attention in recent decades. Due to its bioactive ingredients, neem has insecticide, pesticide, pest, fumigant, neem manure, this is neem manure, neem compost, soil conditioner and insect repellent. Neem has significant limonite, that is azadirachtin. Azadirachtin is the main agent to control insects. Hormones control the growth and the development of plants, that is larva to pupa.
Neem leaves. By using these leaves, we prepare a neem tea. These liquids train crops to control pests. Neem seeds. Neem seeds and kernel are used for making insecticide. Neem oil enters the system of the pest and abstract their working properties. They have germicidal and antibacterial properties. Neem cake. Matter left after squeezed out from seeds, it is called neem cake. It acts as a biofertilizer. It helps provide required nutrients to plant. Neem compost. It is a mature decaying organic matter from leaves. It improves the soil fertility. Neem is the natural soil conditioner. It improves soil fertility.
Crops using biofertilizer. By using biofertilizers, the soil has moisture and it stores water in between soil particles. The shoot is very strong. The shoot is very strong and healthy. The leaves are excellent green color.
Crop using chemical fertilizers. By using chemical fertilizers, we may get beneficial whites, but later the crop pile is decreased and resulting in poor growth. They reduce the effect of the poor growth and the lost plants. By using the chemical fertilizers, the plant growth is poor in growth of stem.
Benefits, sir. It acts as a fertilizer as well as pesticide and soil enricher. Reduce the growth of soil pests and bacteria. It provides micronutrients for the essential to the plant growth. Neem is eco-friendly and biodegradable. It helps to eliminate the bacteria and the responsible for soil, retain freshness of plant, vegetable of the longer duration, increasing the nitrogen percentage, universal application for all the crops to plant. Conclusion. Now it is encouraged to cultivation of in barren lands to use the products, industrial products, and the product was very popular. We have to be encourage farmers to use these products. Now only you can save the earth. Neem is the best one to save the earth. In my village, we met Sir P. Pediraju. Sir P. Pediraju, a farmer who used only organic manures for the cultivation of paddy.
How to use? Take 2 liters of neem oil and diluted 18 cans of it sprayed on crops and 2 bags of neem powders before the plantation of paddy and 2 liters of neem oil sprayed, and which is the controls the harmful of pest, and it is connected to crop. It is in spray of neem oil, and it is interval the 10 to 15 days to better growth of the crop.
Save the earth by using biofertilizers.
Please save the earth by using biofertilizers.
What's your ambition?
My ambition is I becomes a collector.
What's your ambition?
Medicine.
God bless you.